What's up guys, how you doing? Joel here at Greenleaf Garden Center. So it's autumn, it's harvest season, it's time to get out the trimming shears. Maybe you need some new ones. We have a few different options here at Greenleaf, and I'm going to show you a few of them. So we have a lot of different varieties of trimming shears at Greenleaf Garden Center. We have your typical straight shears for just general trimming use. We also have bent and curved. And curved is super popular for your just leaf trim and getting in really close. So a lot of people like the curved shears because they allow you to get in very delicately in small places and trim what you don't need and keep what you do without damaging any of your product. Yeah, all the shears we have are great for both left and right-handed people. So we have a few different spring-assisted varieties. Here's one from Hydro Farm. Here's one from Sunlight Supply. A couple different handle shapes here. This one comes with a holster. So the thing about the spring assisted is it stays open until you compress it. So you're really just working that spring up and down, and it can fatigue your hands a little bit, but some people like that. And the Shear Perfection has a spare spring in case you end up losing or breaking the spring that's in there, which is always nice. They also come in the curved style, the straight standard, or a titanium coated blade, which the titanium coated blades, they're going to stay sharp longer and they're going to be easier to clean. A lot of people use coconut oil to clean their shears when they get dirty and gunky. But we also have some scissor cleaner here and some Greenleaf resonator. And both of these products are going to help keep things clean when you're trimming. Alright guys, so that's just a few of the options we have. If you want to learn more, come see me at Greenleaf Garden Center. For now, have a good one. How's it going, guys? Greenleaf
here at Joe's.
Alright. We're...
You failed. Every time.
How's it going, guys? Welcome back. I'm Joel at Greenleaf Garden Center. We're going to take a look at some trimming shears today because...